Are you looking for the best 4K drone? In this video, we will look at some of the best 4K drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro stands out as a lightweight and foldable camera drone that redefines what's possible in aerial photography. Boasting impressive features such as 4K/60 FPS video recording, a 48MP camera sensor, and a remarkable 34-minute flight time, this drone is a versatile tool for capturing stunning visuals. Its tridirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flights, even in challenging environments. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's portability makes it an excellent companion for travelers and adventurers, enabling them to effortlessly capture breathtaking shots on the go. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro brings you carefree creation. In most countries and regions, it doesn't require registration, allowing you to unleash your creative potential without any bureaucratic hassles. Its foldable and compact design ensures it's ready to accompany you on any adventure, making it a perfect travel companion. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning visuals captured by the DJI Mini 3 Pro. With the ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second and take 48MP photos, this drone ensures that every detail of your world is captured in remarkable clarity. The advanced camera system boasts dual native ISO and an f/1.7 aperture, ensuring exceptional image quality whether you're shooting in broad daylight or the mesmerizing depths of the night. The DJI Mini 3 Pro goes beyond ordinary aerial photography with its true vertical shooting feature. Capture striking portrait shots that are ideal for social media sharing. With a 90-degree gimbal rotation, you're in complete control of the angle, guaranteeing impeccable image quality without any compromises. Extend your flight time and elevate your exploration game with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Experience the world from new heights for up to 34 minutes on a single charge. Number 2. DJI Avida. For those seeking to push the boundaries of creativity, the DJI Avida is a phenomenal FPV drone that opens up a world of cinematic possibilities. With its exceptional 4K camera, the Avida allows you to create unique and captivating content. This drone is particularly well suited for newcomers to FPV flying, thanks to its user-friendly design. It's also an excellent choice for capturing shots in confined spaces, such as indoors or within dense forests, where other drones might struggle to navigate safely. The DJI Avida opens the door to a world of total immersion and intuitive control. When combined with the DJI goggles and motion controller, flight becomes accessible to all. Say goodbye to traditional controls and embrace a new way of flying that responds to your every move. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the Avida empowers you to take the skies with confidence. With the innovative DJI motion controller in your hands, the power of flight is at your fingertips. Squeeze the trigger and bolt forward or elegantly turn a corner with a simple swivel of your wrist. The Avida's intuitive design ensures that piloting your drone feels like second nature, making every flight a thrilling adventure. Captures stunning 4K footage with ease, as the DJI Avida features an upgraded camera system that requires no additional attachments. The 1/1.7-inch sensor and 155 degrees field of view (FOV) deliver next-level imagery that captures every detail in striking clarity. Say goodbye to shaky shots, as the flagship stabilization technology ensures your footage remains ultra-smooth even in the most dynamic flight maneuvers. The Avida's palm-sized and agile design makes it a versatile companion for any adventure. Navigate through tight gaps, glide through branches, and explore hidden vistas with ease. Its lightweight and compact form factor make it effortlessly portable, ensuring you can take it with you wherever your explorations lead. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 series represents the pinnacle of professional-grade aerial photography. With its 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, 43-minute flight time, and impressive 15-kilometer HD video transmission range, this flagship drone is tailored for photographers and videographers who demand the highest quality. The Mavic 3 comes in various versions, including the Classic, Cine, Enterprise, and Pro editions. The Enterprise Edition, equipped with specialized tools like thermal imaging cameras and loudspeakers, is designed to serve the needs of professional agencies and search and rescue operations. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro lies the Hasselblad main camera, a masterpiece of engineering that captures the world with astonishing clarity and precision. With a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, and an aperture range of f/2.8 to f/11, the 20MP sensor delivers breathtaking imagery that surpasses expectations. The ability to shoot RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops empowers photographers to capture every nuance of light and shadow, producing images that are nothing short of captivating. The Mavic 3 Pro elevates your photography to new heights with its medium tele and tele cameras. The 1/1.3-inch CMOS medium tele camera boasts a 70mm equivalent focal length, offering 3x optical zoom at f/2.8, resulting in 48MP imagery that preserves detail even from a distance. The 1/2-inch CMOS telecamera takes zoom capabilities to unprecedented levels. With a 166mm equivalent focal length, 7x optical zoom, and an impressive 28x hybrid zoom at f/3.4, producing stunning 12MP photos that capture the essence of your subjects, your safety and creative freedom are paramount, and the Mavic 3 Pro delivers on both fronts. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing powered by 8 vision sensors and the advanced APS 5.0 technology, you can fly with confidence and peace of mind. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance. With features like 4K HDR video, a 38-minute flight time, and true vertical shooting, it's an excellent choice for beginners looking to explore the world of drone piloting. This drone is also a valuable asset for content creators in need of B-roll footage or basic aerial photography. While it lacks certain advanced features like active track, the DJI Mini 3 remains an exceptional tool for those who want to take their skills to the next level. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect travel companion for adventurers of all kinds. From thrilling hikes to scenic road trips and lazy beach days, this drone is ready to capture your journey from the sky. Its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into your backpack or pocket, making it a versatile tool that's always ready for action. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with the DJI Mini 3. With an impressive battery life of up to 38 minutes, you have the freedom to explore every stop along the way or embark on long flights without worrying about running out of power. Capture stunning aerial shots without the rush, allowing you to focus on creating incredible content. Elevate your visual storytelling with the DJI Mini 3's ability to film in 4K HDR video. This feature ensures that your aerial shots are captured with stunning clarity, preserving intricate details in both highlights and shadows, whether it's the radiant hues of daytime landscapes or the captivating allure of nighttime scenes. With true vertical shooting, the DJI Mini 3 empowers you to capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and cascading waterfalls effortlessly. The resulting footage is perfectly oriented for sharing on popular social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, allowing you to showcase your adventures in a captivating and unique way. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a drone that bridges the gap between enthusiast and professional filmmaking. Its 3-axis gimbal camera captures stunning 5.4K video with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, ensuring exceptional image quality. With 4-direction obstacle sensing, a 31-minute flight time, and a video transmission range of up to 7.5 miles, the Air 2S is perfect for drone pilots seeking high-quality footage without breaking the bank. It serves as an excellent stepping stone for those looking to venture into more advanced camera drones, such as the DJI Mini 3 Pro Cine. Equipped with a remarkable 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, the DJI Air 2S captures breathtaking details and vibrant colors that bring your visuals to life. Capable of shooting in stunning 5.4K at 30 frames per second and smooth 4K at 60 frames per second, this drone ensures your videos are nothing short of cinematic masterpieces. With a diagonal length of 302 mm, the DJI Air 2S offers impressive coverage for your creative endeavors. Operating flawlessly on both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies, this drone is your versatile companion in various environments, even in temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Experience the evolution of QuickShots with MasterShots, an advanced intelligent feature that takes your shots to new heights with a simple tap. MasterShots analyze your location and subject to deliver the best shots effortlessly, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Navigate the skies with precision and finesse using Focus Track. With Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, the DJI Air 2S effortlessly follows or circles your subject, ensuring they remain the center of attention. Capture dynamic shots and intricate details from every angle, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.